Now, if you're trying to get into El Dorado Hills for under 700K, this is the home for you. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? I'm Joubert Caston, local real estate advisor, but most importantly, a very proud girl dad. Today's video, I'm taking you guys through a walk in a home that's on the Bass Lake side of El Dorado Hills, and this home comes in at just under 700K. Now, to be honest, this home definitely needs some TLC, but not too much TLC. Let me take that back. I haven't seen a disclosure report, so I really don't know what we're in for. But from the start things off, if you come in and you see this kitchen, you can tell this kitchen was definitely renovated. So the kitchen has a lot going for it, okay? But stay tuned for the rest of the house. I'm gonna walk you through some rooms that definitely need a little love, but for entry-level price, and El Dorado Hills under 700K, you can't beat it. Let's go. All right, guys, so as you walk into this home, you're greeted by a nice little like separate dining room type of area right off the front door area, which is just shy of the living room space. So you have two options. You definitely can use that area for dining room space, or you can have your dining room space right off the kitchen that's over here towards the living room, where you have, of course, a fireplace and some good space. Now, as you guys can see, older carpet for sure. Carpet definitely needs a little TLC. But other than that, it's a great space. It's a great space. All right, so one thing I do really like about the layout of this home is that the guest quarters are on a separate side of the house from like the master suite. Even though the master suite definitely has another bedroom on that side that's not part of the master, but to have two bedrooms on the other side of the house from the master is actually a really great amenity. Just gives you a little privacy from either the children or maybe guests that you have over. All right, so back here in the guest quarters, here is the offset bathroom. You know, definitely can use a little TLC, but when you get into a home in El Dorado Hills for under 700K in a prime location like this Bass Lake area, you have so much room to make it yours. And that's the beauty of the way that they priced it. So now I'm gonna take you guys into the master suite quarter. So you see the master suite is greeted by these double doors. Get into the double doors, you got a nice open master suite area. Once again, definitely has carpet that needs a little TLC, but as you come through the master, you enter the master bathroom area. Master bathroom area has a walk-in closet over yonder, but nice spacious master closet. Nice spacious master closet. Had to restart so I could turn the light on for you guys, because I try to be like Motel 6. I leave the light on for you. Okay, that was a silly dad joke. I apologize. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house and come see some more of the things that I like to call out as well. Come on. All right, one thing I love me a good bathtub. Being someone who's around 250 pounds, this bathtub will definitely fit me, definitely give the bathtub a really good score. So nice bathtub in the master with a decent sized shower, a little on the smaller side, but good sized shower in the master too, right offset of that nice big bathtub. All right, guys, so this is that other bedroom that's right next to the master. This would be perfect for all my newbie parents. Might want to turn this into a nursery so you have the little one close to you. This is perfect for that. Then when they grow up, you tell them, hey, get the hell to the other side of the room. Now you're grown up. Me and wifey, me some privacy. Yes, indeed. You guys know what I mean.